Using this website, you can make a staging website for your WordPress, and this staging website will help you to test various themes and plugins. Okay, so for installing this staging website, first you have to open this website, instawp.com, and after that you have to go to the login screen. And in the login screen, you have to log in with your account. So I have already logged in with my account. Okay, so you have to just log in with your account. So let me show you how you can do that. So first you have to do the logout from here. Okay, so then you can use your Google account and you can see that activate, so upgrade later. So it will ask you to upgrade. So you can see that we are on the main page from where you can make the staging website. Okay, so for making the staging website, you can go from here staging, and here you will also find so many themes and add new. You can make a one. Okay, so let me go to the main page of this, and from here we have to go to the staging website. Okay, so after clicking on this, we have to click on the next step. Okay, so here you can see that you can have so many plugins option which you can directly install in your staging websites for free. Okay, so suppose you so if you go to the popular one, you can see that here is the Bangalore which is a translation plugin. If you go to the security, you can see that here are so many security plugin. And so let me choose one security plugin for this. Suppose I have to choose one security plugin, so let's choose the solid security. And suppose you want to install SEO plugin also in your staging website, so you can choose. So if you go to the SEO option, you can see that here are so many options of the famous SEO plugin. So let me choose the slim SEO from here, and if I go to the social media, you can see that here are so many options are there. So I don't want to use that. If you want to use any optimization plugin, so let's choose the WP optimize for this, and here you can find so many forms plugin. Okay, so suppose if you want to install a form in your staging website, so you can click on this, and so let me choose the WP forms from here. You can go here and see all of this information also. So let me choose this, and suppose I want backup plugin also in my staging website, so I can choose here the which backup plugin I want to install. Okay, and suppose if I go to the page builder, you can see that here are so many options for the page builder also. So let me choose the elementor from here, and if I want to do the marketing and all, and if you go to the utility, you can find here so many options for the so many options here also. And if you want to make your staging website a WooCommerce website or an e-commerce website, so you can also choose here from the WooCommerce option. If you want to add a translation plugin, you can also choose it from here, and there are so many options. And if you want to make your website an learning platform, you can also choose it from here. Okay, so you can see that in the InstaWP you can choose so many options for installing a staging website. So let's go to the create site by choosing what we have done. So it will take some seconds only, and it will create your staging websites here. So let's wait for it. So you can see that it is right now installing all the plugins, and theme installation has started. So it will show you all this information here, and it will also show you these links and this ID and password which you can share with your friends or something. Okay, so if I click on this magic login, it will automatically make the access. Okay, so let me close this, and here you can see that we can click on this continue site to go to our staging website. Okay, so after that it will ask some installation. So you can see that we have installed the Elementor here. So it is asking for the Elementor next steps and all. So you can skip this or you can access that. So you can see that the plugins which I have selected at first. So we are here, and we can see that the themes and all. Okay, and if I go to the plugin option, you can see that here are the plugins which we have just selected there. Okay, so in this way you can install some staging website for your WordPress themes and plugin. If you want to test some plugins and themes, you can use these type of staging websites for free. Check this from here. It is saying that time to expire 6 days, and you can also add one more staging website from here. So this is the main page of this where you can access all your staging website. Okay, so now I will show you. And if I show you this thing, if I click on the view side, so you can see that here we can have this link also, so we can install any WordPress website here, and we can share with our friends also. Okay, so now I will show you how you can remove the staging websites. If you want to remove the staging website, how you can do that. So you have to go to the main page of the InstaWP, and here you will find the option that if I click on this, you can see that here you will find so many options. If you want to export this, you can also export this. Here you can find so many tools also. Okay, so you can click on this, and here you can see the export option if you want to check the version, and if you want to see the login details and all, you can also check it out from here. Suppose you want to remove the staging website, so just you have to click on this, and here you will find this option. Then you can just copy this, and you have to just paste it below and just click on the delete option. So when you click on this, it will automatically remove your staging website. Okay, so in this way you can install the staging website on your WordPress for your WordPress websites. So I hope you like this video. If you are new to our channel, like and share our video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and I'm gonna see you next time.